Greetings to all of you at the Java Programming Language Learning course. Throughout the course, we will explore all the fundamental concepts of this language together, and by the end of it, we will be able to build various console projects based on it. Additionally, we will also develop a cool application with a graphical interface together. All of this will be done solely based on Java. However, before we delve into project development and language exploration, I propose we first discuss the capabilities of Java and find out what can be written on it and what perspectives it has. The Java language has a very rich history, as its first appearance was in 1995. Initially, the language was named Oak, after the tree. Later, it was renamed Java, which in turn was the name of coffee. That's why a coffee cup appears in the logo everywhere. Nowadays, Java is one of the most popular and in-demand languages in the world. Initially, the language was developed by Sun Microsystems with a person named James Gosling. Later, all rights to the language were acquired by Oracle Corporation. By the way, this company is very large and is the second largest software company in terms of revenue after Microsoft. The language itself is fully object-oriented. This means that each file represents a specific class. What a class is and what can be done with it, we will discuss in the following lessons. Java uses syntax that strongly resembles C or C++. This didn't happen by chance. Although Java is a fairly old programming language compared to C and C++, thanks to additional libraries and the Java language itself, you can quickly create a website, develop a game, write a program for a PC, or create an application or game for mobile devices. Suppose you need to write a program for microcontrollers, or a program with large data volumes. This will also not be a problem for Java. All of this can be written using various libraries and frameworks. Libraries extend the functionality of the language. And after learning the basic syntax of the language along with libraries, you will be able to do whatever you want. The entire Android platform is built on Java. This means that in most cases, games or applications for phones are written in this language. The language has become the foundation for many projects that today represent the world's largest companies. Of course, even after 20 years, the language will still be popular. After all, not only new applications are created on it, but also tens of thousands of old ones are supported. The language is at the top of the TOB rating. It is constantly evolving, new job opportunities are emerging in the market, and the list of language capabilities is constantly growing. By mastering the language, you will be able to easily find a job, become a sought-after programmer, and work on projects in the field that best suits your preferences. All programs written in the Java language are translated into bytecode after compilation. The advantage of this approach is that Java programs can be easily run on different operating systems. To run your projects, you only need to have Java installed. If Java is installed on your computer, then it doesn't matter where the application was initially compiled. It will be able to run smoothly on another computer. This ability is the hallmark of the Java language. However, the Java language itself won't work on your computer until you install the JDK, Java Development Kit. The Java Development Kit is like a folder that contains all the necessary tools for working with Java on your computer. In the next lesson, we will install it on our computer and later be able to write programs based on the Java language. During the course, we will cover all the fundamental nuances of the Java programming language. We will learn how to create variables, work with loops and arrays, create classes and objects, and much more. By the end of the course, we will also develop an application with a graphical interface. After completing this course, you will have a clear understanding of the language and its capabilities. It's important to understand that after the course, you will be able to start learning specific libraries. For example, if you are interested in web development, you can study Java Spring Boot. If you are interested in desktop applications, you can explore JavaFX. And if you are interested in mobile projects, you can delve into Android Studio. This concludes our lesson. During this lesson, we haven't installed or written anything yet, as we will start doing that from the next lesson onwards. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. Thank you all for watching. Until we meet again, goodbye.